Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like my video, comment on my videos, share my videos, and above all subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't also forget to tell a friend to like my videos, watch, comment, and share. Thank you. I trust my viewers. In today's lessons, I am going to be talking about asset, which is one of the elements of the accounting equation. It is one of the elements of a balance sheet. A balance sheet is a table which shows the financial position of an enterprise at a given period of time. It is also known as the statement of financial position. Now, one of the elements, it has three elements: capital, assets, and liabilities. I'm going to be talking about one of the elements, which is assets. I'm going to define assets and classify assets with examples. To start with, assets are the value things owned and controlled by an enterprise. These things are to generate income to the enterprise. These value things that are owned and controlled by the enterprise are classified into two. We have the first one, which is the current asset, and the next one, which is the non-current asset. The non-current assets are assets owned and controlled by the business that cannot be easily convertible into cash within a year. That means it needs a longer period of time, more than a year, to convert those type of assets into cash. We have the goodwill, furniture and fixtures, equipment, and so on. These non-current assets are further classified into two. We have the tangible and the intangible non-current assets. The tangible assets are the physical assets that have infinite monetary value and can be seen or touched. Examples include land, building, machinery, equipment, etc. Then we have the intangible fixed assets. These are assets that they don't have any physical existence. They cannot be seen or touched. Examples include copyright, trademarks, patents, goodwill, software, etc. These assets are valuable because they provide exclusive rights, competitive advantages, or other benefits to the business owners. The next classification is the current assets. Current assets are those assets that can be easily converted into cash. These current assets are arranged in ascending order of liquidity. That is, starting with those assets far away from cash, and it ends with cash. We have examples: accounts receivable, accrued revenue, prepaid expenses, cash, etc. And they are arranged in this manner, beginning with the first one, which is inventory, also known as stock of goods. This current assets inventory is available. That's the stock of goods is available, but it's not guaranteed that customers will come and buy. It's not guaranteed that you will persuade customers to buy. So those goods may even spoil at the enterprise's disposal, and they will not even have somebody to sell to them. So it is not liquid as cash. Then we have the next one, accounts receivable, also known as debtors or customer. Yes, these customers, they come into the account of an enterprise when the enterprise sells to them on credit. That is when the enterprise sells to them and they promise to pay the enterprise later. So they are owing the enterprise, but it's not a guarantee that the enterprise is going to receive the money, because some of the enterprise may disappear without trace. Some of them may even die, and some of them may even go insane. So the enterprise may not even recover the debt, and those debts will become a bad debt. The next one, we have prepaid expenses. These are expenses that are paid in advance. So these expenses, for instance, we have payment of insurance, payment of annual insurance on the 1st of October. And the enterprise is supposed to prepare their financial statement on the 31st of December. You will discover that it was an annual insurance, that's for 1 year. So since it's just the 31st, it's just on the 1st of October, you have November, December, it has just been consumed for 3 months. So 9 months is yet to be consumed. That amount for the 9 months is called prepaid insurance. So it becomes the enterprise have paid for it, but they are yet to consume that insurance. So it's a prepaid expense. The next one we have, it is the same. Sorry, it is the same like the debtors, because the insurance company may just close down and they may even just disappear, and you cannot go and force them to refund. Some of these people, they will even say, some of these enterprises, they will even say money paid cannot be refunded. So it is there, it's not guaranteed that you must consume that insurance. Then we have accrued revenue. This is income that is earned but yet to be received. Like for instance, if the enterprise is giving out houses for rent, when a tenant has stayed in the house for a month and still to pay the rent, it is called accrued income to the enterprise, because they have already rendered their services but they are yet to receive the income. Then the last of all, that is the cash. The last of all the current assets is the cash. And here cash is divided into two: cash in hand and cash in financial institutions. First, cash in financial institution comes first before cash in hand, because the cash in financial institution is the enterprise's cash. But before having that cash in the enterprise, they will pay for some charges to withdraw the money. So we have the most liquid of all, which is cash in the safe. You see that cash is available. No matter what the enterprise wants to do with cash, the cash is already there. They can take and do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and also subscribe.